everyone, welcome to Mom's Talk. Today we are going to talk about how to take a pregnancy test properly. Of course, for an official result, you will go to your doctor, but till then you may be feeling very excited, right? So you can take this pregnancy test at home. Taking a test properly is more than just urinating on a pregnancy test kit or into a cup. If you are not aware how to take a pregnancy test properly, then you may end up with a wrong result. So today we are going to see how to take a proper pregnancy test step by step. So there are certain things that you have to keep in mind. The first thing is how this pregnancy test work. So this pregnancy test check HCG level in your body. HCG is a hormone which starts to develop in woman's body when she is pregnant. If you have a higher level of HCG, then you will get a darker line on the pregnancy kit. Darkness of the line depends on your HCG level. The next thing is when to take this test. It's best to wait till you miss your period, and you can take this test after 3 or 4 days of your missed period. If you take this test early, then it is a possibility that you may get a false negative, because at this time your HCG level is not that high, so your test kit can't detect it, and you may get a negative result though you are pregnant. Also, it is always best to take this test early in the morning, because at that time your urine is much concentrated and so is having high level of HCG. So you get a dark line on your test kit. The third thing is check the expiry date of your pregnancy test kit, because if the test kit is expired, then it may give you incorrect result. The fourth thing is follow instructions. Every test kit comes with an instruction set. Read that instructions carefully because they contain some really useful information, like for how much time the test kit should be in the urine stream, or for how much time you have to wait to see the result. For some test kits, waiting time is 5 minutes. For some test kit, it is 10 minutes. If you see the result before the specified time, then you may get a negative, false negative. So make use of timer and wait patiently till the specified time. The fourth thing is discard all the accessories that you have used for the test, like the cup or your test kit, because if these things come in contact with any other object, then it will be really infectious. Now about different test kits. There are 3 different test kits that I am aware about. The first test kit is designed to hold in the urine stream. They specify in the instruction that for how much time you have to keep the stick in the urine stream. For some test kits, you have to hold the tip of the stick into the urine. So you will need a cup to hold urine and a test kit. Some test kits come with a dropper, and you have to put some drops of urine onto the test kit in the specified area. Now how to read the results. There will be always 2 lines on your test kit. The one is control line and the other is test line. You will always get one dark line on your test kit, that is control line, and you will get another dark line if you are pregnant. If you get no dark line on your test kit, then that means your test kit is not working. So discard that kit and try with another one. Also, there are different types in which the result is shown on result panel. On some test kits there are 2 parallel lines. On some test kits there is a positive sign in which the vertical line shows that you are pregnant. Now there are digital test kits also available in the market, and you don't have to read anything manually there, because they show pregnant or not pregnant in words. So that is more easy to read. Now I have covered almost all the things that you have to follow for best results, but at last let's take a look at all of them. First thing is wash your hands and grab all the accessories that you need, like timer, a cup and your test kit. Then remove the cap from the test kit and hold the test stick in the urine stream for a specified time. Then check the results and throw all the accessories like test kit and cup, and again wash your hands. So that's what I have for today's video. If you find this video helpful, then please like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you so much guys for watching. Stay healthy and be happy. Bye.